Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days, whoops, let's try that again. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out, especially in this case, a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was quite the epic bounce. When you consider where the price was, down here, or heck, you just look at it even from that point right there around the chart, and then you look at where it ultimately closed right here. I think everybody can agree that, this here was a very nice move on the bull's part to, create this bounce to the upside. But that does lead to the very logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using the chart, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point on the chart is right here at, what is that? 57.5 cents. Why is 57.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that a price movement with true power, with genuine strength, is going to make progress. The price is not going to go back to where it was. Or in other words, if a bounce is truly a bounce, it's going to keep on bouncing, right? It's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. I get it. If a movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 57.5 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it was, not only back here in the chart, but then also, right around here during the low portions of the day. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, bounced around, and then headed back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. You picture each one of those as stair steps, and hey, now you have stair steps continuing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 57.5 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point. It's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see that's already knocked down the price right there. So that'll be the current level to keep an eye on, going forward into next week. All in all, though, crazy move today, but a very nice bounce. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.